So I've just teamed up with Alosha, who's got this great online course teaching super Adobe construction, Aircrete, underground water tanks, biochar filters. I signed up about 2 years ago because I wanted to have the biochar filter knowledge, and it was really good. The other great thing is when you sign up for this online course, you're signed up for life, a one-time fee. And check it out. The link is in the description box below, and I'll give you a little preview of the workshop.
Having your own water is #1 priority in any permaculture homestead. In our online video training, you will learn how to harvest water from roof, hard surface, and in the ground. To store the rainwater, you'll learn how to build 3 types of water reservoirs, as well as an eco pool. This simple biochar filter will treat your rainwater to drinking quality at 300 liters per day. You'll master the construction of Earthship-inspired reed beds and wetlands, which will allow you to recycle all of your wastewater for organic garden irrigation, methane production, and flushing of loos. You will learn how to build a variety of terraces, which turn your garden into a living sponge, as well as a wall which can withstand a river and flood. The water self-sufficiency training combines some of the best water tech I've learned from teachers such as Jeff Lawton, John Todd, Mike Reynolds, John Jevons, as well as many others. Join our water self-sufficiency permaculture in action training risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. And for the duration of the COVID pandemic, we're throwing in our entire Dome Home Building course, where you're going to learn from start to finish how to build your very own low-tech, low-cost, and super affordable eco dome home. We have over 100 lessons which will take you through drawing your own foundation on the ground, then digging it out, building the foundation so it doesn't siphon up water up the walls, building of the walls, building of the bags and the bricks around the windows and door frames, finishing up the upper layers which are quite tricky, installing the skylights, and of course doing the electrical, doing the flooring, installing the fireplace, installing a constructed wetland which is in front of that dome, making a custom bath, and much more. We'll be covering 2 building methods: the Hempcrete building method, which gives you a Roman arch geometry, and of course the Cull Earth Super Adobe Lancet art geometry. And of course you can replace these with Hempcrete bricks or whatever other lightweight alternative you have. So you will learn how to build 2 types of dome homes and create an entire off-grid water ecosystem for them or for your current home, all for $99. Usually these both courses go for $100 each. And because of the pandemic and the need for people to get the heck out of the cities now and to start building your very own off-grid ecological homesteads, we have lowered the price of both the Abundance of Water course and Living Eco Home to $99 for both trainings. And of course you're going to learn how to build a 40,000 litre, 10,000 gallon underground water tank right underneath that dome, which you can use as a safety bunker or as a hidden 10,000 gallon underground water reservoir. Whatever your needs are, we're going to learn it from start to finish, and we do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So check out our training, and if you don't like it one bit for whatever reason, pop me 1 email and I will refund your tuition fees in full. So I look forward to be seeing you inside of our digital classroom with over 1,000 other students, where we are learning and commenting and assisting and helping each other to build a new reality that makes the old one obsolete. And all our videos are fully downloadable, so you can download our videos and watch them offline wherever you are. We, Alosha Linov
and Zoe Inkovskaya, as a family, invite you to join us on an interesting journey where we, without dividing ourselves into socially accepted gender roles, build a new reality of true freedom and happiness. We can proudly state so, as we receive incremental, wonderful changes, confirming that our step-by-step, stress-free journey to leave the system is working. We daily experience a unity within our family, manifesting multiplication of abundance in all spheres of our lives.
Thank you.
Ah! Alosha came to Ghana to teach us how to build. We don't know how to build in this way. I'm an electric welder, but now I've learned a lot. And now as I'm talking to you, if Alosha is not here, I can build it myself because he teach me and I take it perfectly. And it's good for me. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the workshop. It's really cool online course. I highly suggest you click on it and sign up for the workshop. It's a lot of good information there. Also, another great thing is in the future, I'll be coming out with some new videos that will be adding on to that workshop. So you'll pay now, and in the future, when things get added on, you'll have access to that as well. Anyway, that's it for now. Peace out. Aircrete Harry. I love you all, and I'll catch you later.